Oirebia mwanchi mo tegereri no musonchi begetaseni kiao kia gatembe. Gagimne chiga ase egeka nigo omugusi abant kumanya ekigusi kya. Kungu mutangani niga enkorokwa mubuchaibu. Mukungu kabere orokwa nyamesanchu. Mukungu gatatu orokwa nyamwerere. Mukungu kane orokwa nyageita rogoro. Nyageita moino nare ngorro, nyageita gatinare ngo na nyageita mahate. Gwo mwario igarenge korokwa nyamekorogoto. Nagatebanga mo gusi nanchire kunyoma abakungu gwetani 15 nomo. Asomugano bo mugusi ase chinyumba chiri chinene omonto renge korokwa nganere moseti obarare nere ubwate kungu abange. Moseti obarare nigo arenge chingaki kamenyete kagosoka butuko akanyora ngina karisko. Akamwaka gakagara akagetebuna no morogia singenche yo akama kurogusi akagenda bogere na karabera bogere abagere bakamuruka mangongo kachkwira na kocha gusi bagusi bakamuruka bugonko nero bwate abakungu gwetani 15 nomo ayunkianda 10 karanso iketoko yamanyi otantani bondu bonsu butayo asensema yimanyirio akorko Wilson Makori chenkuru komkate yerok. Gati yaria twakwareganire ase kionga chinsa ibere
Iwana alikuwa ni okonde mwe akorekeria umusubati agoitwa akobeteri ngaruta maraba nonyeke usikere nga umusubati nkurutara maraba dineri goso bakorete goitwa umusubati oria muno munyama
emateria ya murwani umusubati oyomo oboine nsemo nigo genda tukoragwa ebyara sogokora egekorikyo getariekia
is briefly to the whole transaction. They must have interacted with the Auditor General, as it were. And Chairman,
and because so why didn't he provide this explanation is given to the Senate today?
Mugabana we county ya Kisii Omoske Paul Simba Arati nigo ritko lya rero aika bosyo bwe Senate koiraniria amaborio.
Let's be remembered as the chair who was able to completely reduce
ekyombe kyobochori nechimbebe IEBC nigo ritko lya rero gyachaka kurigia omonyakirogobo ase Charles ayakunya chae aba oyomo ase baria baligia konyora ekirogekyo. Ko tebianga koranche na babatonyara gwetera ase mitandao yetu ya Facebook Gatemba TV, YouTube Gatemba TV na FM wego na boturikira gwetera ase namba 0726447367 nigo tochaka korwa ase county enyamira abwabaga korwa ase kenyoro giatenteke gutoka ase Warrior Township nigo baragire byara gyakorekanete asensemeria mabeya ase wodi abugichora imeye county ya Nyamira ase musubati oyomo aetwe binyerere chingaki arenge koenia omuhakoye mo sakito Fatgad Gesemba nigo atwariganira robot yoroiga kende yonsi getari gotoeta
Nase ekenyoro kiaria mabeya ekyo kegotoka embonga ewodi ya Bugichora ebunge ya West Mugirango abwase egekore kyogoichana yakorekana ritkoria ijuma ase omoyega oyomo bwa matanga abwase umusubati Meren Mugaka arigetie kwanga korwa gutamurutira amaraba umugako ye ingana yabagechya abanyakenyoro ase barorekana kumubetereria erio arute amaraba abwase bakorera kumwaka ebiranya Maiga yegekore ekeiga nigo umusubati Meren Mugaka achiete goikase getaseni ky'abanyanyimbo kya kyambere erio kwaka oroboti igoro yengana ejeiga obwatikana ning'aneye nigo igitaseni eke kia getembe twairire igitambukiro na gusanga n'abamenyi kurwase ekenyoro kia tente ime ye ward ya township ebunge ya West Mugirango igoro yegekorwa ekeiga abwase abagaka abo basanga amona intwe bagikeirie egekoro ekeiga ase chinguru chinene
kwani okonde mwe kolekeria umusubati agoitwa akobetele ng'aruta amaraba nonyeke usikere ng'a umusubati nkorutara amaraba ine ligoso bakorete goitwa umusubati oria muno omunyama ntwe tware kwani goteba ng'a onyendi ligoso liare ngororo onange bakobwatia ebitambokero biri bakoira ekero ligoso liabaire
abantu tiga totware okomanya nogwetanga n'amang'ana amanya bono ekero bamoitete ebasibete bakachingori igo ng'ata korung'ochi oyu bono onye ore gochigocha komenya bono gochina riatamenya
onye batagete koruta barao bari korareta abagaka bararia abakuru n'abang'ina baikaranse batata amang'ana bamoikaranse bamoborina nochieta andi nore morito ekiageregio obisimbo iyo ekinde ekegusi kiarengebo
ninkegose ekegusi gegokwana igoro yokoruta amaraba
koruta amaraba ekegusi iyo kiare goteba igo omusubati oyo nigwebwateraneti tari koruta amaraba naende ekero arwete ago bwoye akagenda ase agendete nabo ranyore gagachiete bwoye bagachika akagenda ase omogaka omao naende ase ekegusi keokana takoruta amaraba
omonto asirire omogaka omokungu nabarenge gocha oruta amaraba otugama osera amaraba nebigokoro gochia engoro ime omogaka oye kasiriro omokungu nere lasimaro amorutera amaraba kira kini gakwanga igo amang'ana naro abere nabera amasuko toka gusa omokungu oyo yachietao isiko yenyangi bono yakorora asa koruta amasangi ara amasuko mobwata
na maiga nyagusira kaeniwe nikigose abagusi bare gokora
ekegusi nabo kiarenge botando ng'a omogaka gakure omong'ina ne yakomorutera amaraba gochiengoro naende ebinto biarenge goturekwa nyomba byatureku pi enyomba ekero byaturekirwe basi byagenda egwiki engima kae embori yagorwa embori yeje bono nero n'amarwengwa ka ebinto byamenya gochikogororokigwa ekero ebinto biri byamumorwa nsuguri nyongo nini byamumorwa biri byamumoirwe basi abantu bagingeruliori bamanya gosoka isiko tata naende monto nkwarenge kogenda netukia ochepara otagingeiri goiko ogingirwe omanya gosoka epara
abagaka abaiga nigo bayiganirie ebitabo by'oburendi nabo igo abaobisa abo bagokora obonyongi kwangoya omoroberio bwokobaimokeria egetambukero abaiga baikiranitie ekebeke
batware kobani kobori ng'a egakorekeri bakorete nekebe nane twakegikeirie twatebire nekebe abantu bari bairorwa ichiko eserekari ebaire egetambukero
chingaki echecho nigo omukomanda bw'abanyanyimbo ase sub-county ya Nyamira South ase Rieta Martin Wambogwa wetera ase enchera yesimi nigo atwenekeria buna abakagerwa batatu nigo babekirwe ebiara abwo ase bono baganyete omusubati oyo otigeretwe chingoma wesokia na goteba gose abakagerwa abaiga nabwo bamokorerete ekebekio hinkoripotera getembe korwa ase county ya Nyamira Njefatigad Gisemba
korwa bwase roboti urukorwa sensemo ya Nyamira nigo okoboria iborire ritko erikoringanera bya kero monto ase birebiga kobetererigwa ase ebimira gete nere bya ekero monto akobetererigwa ekemira gete aso ekero ikiga turikere Facebook account yaito Gatembe TV nabo oturikere gwetera ase YouTube yaito Gatembe TV na FM ose oturikere ase namba ya SMS 0726 44 73 67 nirebia ekero monto akobetererigwa ekemira ase ekero unikiga ekero twakorokorwa ase libori elio nigo tokwenda masemo mpaka ase kaunti ya Nairobi. Mugabana we kaunti ya Kisii Omoske Paul Simba Arati nigo litkoria rero aika ase Senate iliokwiraneria amabolio make igoro y'oborai bwae ase kaunti ya Kisii.
The systems are really working effectively. That's our position.
Senator Onyonka.
Thank you, Chair. Governor, my question will, if you'll allow me through you, will be for your CC Finance. Is you given me the permission?
That's okay, given that the question, he may not answer, there is another person.
Okay, in case he doesn't, he can come back to you.
Yeah.
CC Finance, how many transactions have been voided from the question that has been asked?
Yeah, there are over 712 transactions.
Thank you.
Yeah.
The answer that Governor has explained, he has only talked about 6 voided transactions, which means out of your 700, in fact the report says the voided transaction are 616. If you remove the one Governor has talked about, which are 6, you are left with 594 voided transactions. Are we together up to that level?
Yes, yeah.
Thank you. So the question I ask you therefore is this. If you look at the voidings and the recommendation which is on page 1, the recommendation of the Auditor General, page 1, briefing notes for County Public Accounts Committee on the Auditor General.
You might not have visibility of that, but I believe that that must have been the management letter, Auditor General?
Yes.
Yeah, so yeah, just
you have page 1. Oh
no, that has been prepared for the committee.
Oh, it's for our internals.
Yes.
Thank you. The question is this, CC. Why were you voiding the payments after you had gotten approval by the control of budget to pay certain people? What made you change your minds about who you were to pay? Isn't that what you're saying, OAG?
Yes.
Thank you. What made that change of plan and change of, because under the PFM Act, like they're saying, you were supposed to have gotten the approvals and therefore the payment was recommended, the control of budget actually approved payments through the IFMI system. Why then did you stop those payments?
Chair, first I want to let the auditor know that processing is not like, approval. You can process and it's not approved. That should be the understanding. Number 2, Chair, Chacha was the acting CFO then. Is briefly to the whole transaction. They must have interacted with the Auditor General, as it were. And Chairman,
and because so why didn't he provide this explanation is given to the Senate today during the time of audit, so that the auditor can just pick residual issues for the Senate's attention?
We'll ask them why they didn't agree, the auditor and Chacha. Actually, they should tell us why.
No, I mean, it's not a deal they're making. It's about provision of records.
That's
and
true,
evidence.
Chair. But again, on Annex number 1, Chair, that explanation of the 200 and something million, it has been provided there. Therefore, it's not true that it's only 41 million that we have explained, Chairman.
Senator Ambua?
On 191.
Senator Ambua, then Senator Onyonka, and then Senator Sifuna will go on.
Thank you, Chair. I want the auditors to listen to this, because I'm a bit lost, and I want to be found. Let's begin with the CC Finance. You said how many transactions were voided? You said 700 something. Yeah?
Yes, Chair. But I was corrected by Senator to be 604, Mr. Onyonka.
Okay, so you are corrected. Okay, fine. So let's go back to 604. So those are transactions that were voided. The response from management picks only 6 issues. Let's go back a bit. The amount in question is 232 million, right? That's the amount in question. 358,841. That's the amount in question in regards to the voided transactions. Now, 604 transactions voided, amounting to 232 million. Now, the response from management picks only 6 issues, and out of those 6 issues, you have justified transactions for 232 million 80,067 and 70 cents.
Your question, but it's a bit technical. You can ask your finance team to help you. If when you're doing the entry for procurement, it runs through the system and goes through IFMIS. And the IFMIS system then shows you who has done which work and who has been approved to be paid and how much they'll be paid, isn't it? Mm-hmm. If today I was to ask the Auditor General to get a printout of what has been done on the IFMIS system, particularly with the records which exist within the central bank, because that is how then you end up, you do e-procurement and then you e-pay.
Ino mugavana we county ya Kisii Moske Paul Simbarati busie western tirit kolia rero echinga kichina mondo chi SMS chinu cha kirgo sobia ase namba ito yesimi ya 0726 44 73 67 kerondo che bago chakaiga ase chinga kichiri mbiara kini asabona yaya ya korokupita watebere taliao Daniel Onkangi teribu yaya and then gaki teribu ya se chinga kiechi ko mukungu kurutero mwakoye amaraba gekogera obwo nobosibole bwaye ninchemika kurwa nyataro chine ne chinyinga mrachienda tagocha ntobeto gochitera masemo mrachikondra gocha na karato konda gochibosio nigo chinga kiekyombekeria kie chimbebe nobochori ne chimbebe IEBC ritkoria rero kiagendera gosenigo giachaka bene okorigia umunyekero ochigotenera ekyombekyo kya IEBC mo oyomo kurwa sorogongorwa gusi Charles ayakonya chae nigatebire buna ere bena sko chorwa koba gosesko gobo umunyekero gobo nigora chikunyorwa kigima asokoreta amonchererio abene ase ekyombekyo kya IEBC.
What I would want with a good team, if I got this position, with a good team of commissioners, the legacy I would want us to leave is a legacy that this is the commission which was able, because like, as I said earlier, the biggest challenge we have as far as IEBC and the people of Kenya is concerned is there's a huge trust deficit. The commission that comes in after you've done your work will conduct, because of the 6 years, will conduct one election. So they have one bullet. And the one bullet is to reverse that situation of the trust deficit. So for me, alongside anything else and everything else that the commission will be doing from day one, is what is geared towards reducing that trust deficit. I'm an old-fashioned, or shall I say an old-school lawyer. So for me, the Supreme Court of Kenya tells me the 2022 election met the minimum standards contemplated by the Constitution. I accept that because that's me as an old-school lawyer. But that's not good enough for the people of Kenya. Beyond what the Supreme Court said, the people of Kenya themselves must feel like the losing side in Rio in the football match. They must feel that, yeah, we lost, but that's the way it goes. We can't all win, but we have nothing negative to say about the Electoral Management Board. So what would I like to be remembered? I would like to be remembered, and you can't do this alone. It can only be part of a team. I would like to be remembered as part of a team, and if I was given the opportunity to serve as chair, I would like to be remembered as the chair who was able to completely reduce the gap of the trust deficit between the people of Kenya.
Abande abaikira nase ogochorwoku gusokorigia obonyekerogo bwe keumbe ekyo gakorkwa Abdulkadir Lorot na boigo an Amadi.
The finding of the vetting and judges and magistrate board, and because this was also an analysis of career up to and including that period, and if you look at from paragraph 32, I don't know where the document is, but if you look from paragraph 32 onwards, you will see that by the time the vetting board was making a finding, it said that I am hardworking, I am forthright and honest, and I think that those will be the hallmarks of anyone who wants to be received in any career. And
one of the committees of the IEBC that deals with dispute resolution, deals with legislative reform, and also acts as liaison between the Commission and political parties, that would be the right place to have those discussions, so that we're looking at broadly which are the areas that are hindering rather than enhancing the work of the Commission, map out those areas, and then give a proposal, prepare a proposal for legislative reform.
Katwanyorire roboti rukorwa asomochu Nairobi igoro yoko chorwa omunyakero gosokorigwo kumunyakero wekembekerikie chimbebe nobochori IEBC niyo bonongo kuira somotimo karongo kwa enkwana irituko.
Onto asirire omugaka omukungu nabarenge gocha oruta maraba otugama osera maraba nebikokoro gotiengoro ime omugaka oye kasiriro omukungu nere lasimaro amurutera maraba kila kini kakwanga igo amangana naro abere nabera amasuko toka gusoma omukungu oyo yakietao isiko je nyangi bono ya korora sa koruta ama sajara amasuko mobwata.
Karo tuanyoro bose enkwane yo tarachkagendo bose mienta yetkwetera chi SMS iberi satoiga asingin chobuna manda to chirigwetera ase 0726 447 Tankuboliga nerebuya ase ekerekeiga tomenyete bono ega kubetereria ebimira gete gochia sabantu gete nerebuya ase ekerekeiga kubetereria abantu gete bakore ekimira gete buna motagete turikere gwetera ase Facebook account Gatembe TV na boigo YouTube yeto Gatembe TV na FM na boigo 0726447367 Wochaka ni ritari yao kwa teba sole kwa makurwa a comment Grifo kurwa keroka goteba tale kurasimisa omonto teribuya and then kurwega Foster Mahe ate kurukia mukama ante iyo tabia kuchapa huyo mama sipoa. Utachapa juu, utachapa, utapata alikuwa na mimba, hangeweza kurusha udongo kwa kaburi kimila. Sheria ichukulie kwa wahusika. And then watabanga wanawake wameharibu Gusii, ngerengeri kiae teribuya nchenkoro kwa Isabella Martin and then Joseph Kabesa korwa Liatabaka. It's barbaric, primitive and unconstitutional. And then Kemira nabo kerebo amaraba ninche John Nyandega na Eric Moseti korwa Nyanguru ada teribuya kobetereria Robert Ondabu ata kurukia mukamam abagambiwe korengana nelichiko koratigera gabo egerengende ase omutima kuginkwira na SMS chia mna ndata kuchirika kwenda kuchisoma na ndegenda kuchirika ase incha. Meanwhile tatarategera obasemia omugusi
Magaka ninjo ninjo getembe ninjo dorome mangana mazu bagina ninjo
Tiana maseto kai ngakio gotiana kogenda ali bona kogenda paka kore gente kino kingo kora banje kogenda ali kondeta keregentu inche ngoina bona okore kieke karaba ntumba gachiruro twali libaga ndoro twali oyo ko yuturakuruka muturi oturie ngabi osene lingo osene ngikiale oyimuturi ekaraye turiri oyo bona ndo koruko oyo ngane omononti onya nonta mononti oya nonta muturi oyo tura oyo onde oyo musiolera kanyano oyo koyesiora oyo tanga koyebeta akuruku musioli oyo yetura muturi engabi yata makuru yana bagakeroka yaji konyoro libono mononti nero koyekora pi oyekorire pi wone ngabi ya goikaba inyoro limoturi oyo tureti noro tigale to akale guchi okakale osenguchi sune kamate osenga yakale moinyore nga ya tureti kukuru ankuru asegete kabyo kabaka mutige moekuri oyo ndi moekenama wono oyo ndi nero oyo wono oyo nganero oyo oye nonta oye kora rende wono oyo kano go cyale ko kumonyorwa monyoru no mase kai igabono kigende no twachera go cyanganga ki abono to bagutiana maseta utiana go ryoji go seta to tiana masetoka osetoka ndiyo koira na gwakorire gento gete nego tenge kubona akori mamu ara minto banda kuna gwetonga gregente kekyo kinangeli kongo kono tiana masetoka go koira na gwakorire ngana
Magaka ninjo getembe ninjo dorome mangana mazu bagina ninjo
Murai bwensi ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigo litkolia rero akora mosangerekano negatia baraikorwa ase orogongoro Mount Kenya. Ye nigo egochaka ose nigo egochamagega atarachi gokora etarenene ase Mount Kenya. Abana batano no mokoro ase kenyerogia chaburuti ime ya marani nigo bandete gwetera amakungu anene mono maga yabo ibuli babo gutamakorwa ase enkayabo nakobatiga bachandegete mono Mosakito Daniel Ontiri nigo atwariganira roboti urega rwabene ase roboti rwabene ritkaria rero
Mogoko ukiro moibori no korra abana baye bagukina bali na fingia bali ne kibakolia ekibakubeka konyora hasagia bakorara na komenta nayo banyora masoma maya eri bachagwe konya hasa matukari bosio ayonsi nigari mamincha hasa abana baiga batano noyomo rwasi kenyero gia chaburuti boche kiegotoka marani hase bungi ya Kitutu Chache North ase county ya Kisii hasa abana baiga bagendrete gwetera emechano ao magiga yogotama na kubora kuroinka kwa baiboli babo bonsi Evans Nyakundi n'umusubati Evelyn Kemunto abo twariganiria oroboti ruwa bene Jumatatu ya lero inyumba bamenyete nigegotua enchara naiga no bakurara
dada mkubwa wa mama yangu dada mkubwa ni mama yangu
igi atwarigania rero niriogi ria bana baiga bagotema gwesomera bakoragwa n'umwana umunyaruka omonene uyu gosome grade gia kianda ase skuru yemo ase nsemeyo
open beads
nyanduko imroke ritaliye kene w'imyaka 15 aiga senka nere tata na nere baba uyo gokorera abana baiga bande kerekemo na koene kebuna mbale buya goika gokora nonyino bochenu
ndomete narwete school nganyona naringi grade 7 kanyona mama tayo tata aratingo inyolinga kiachete tubwate baiboli bachete bakatutika intutweka tora abana 6 njende grade 9 narole otikete school babere bale grade 3 ayo male grade pipitu embra ya tuete bana tubwate nona stokora igimabara bakon twakora chikonda twanyolinda agera tukwande school twasalibu toyana tubwate nona stokora abana nasicyango cyando abo cyara twakwanda twasalibu ndende toyana seride twabera isko abode igara tokolete mate misko twaberete kwa yetu besa
korengana n'umwama tobo abana baiga babere boka asige kabono asomokia boko bakonya otumire kubwatekana nukumbigwa kwa bange na mona barayi kurwa sensemeye
mwana niga chetenga tinarenge konyara kumutuguta nonya konyaga gochicha bagwetera chi challenge nabori ndagocha tatebita bwatikende asengo nyara nabongo nyara komokonya nonya nagosoma kwabo ngo bakore ogokongwake konyani ekero rigeire gasire nyinge nabagocha mwana ororero osomoro nando managocha ono akigwa twasabire motokonyera abana aba nonya nendagera ngo twarero mochando nonya yani tibabwati bose na maiga
ukubora kuroinka kwa bibuli abaga nigo boigo kwairera abana biga gutumeka nonye ne nyumba ya kibara irembe mono iginto gikobeka magima basako asumoro kiwoyo mo asiri ubogima magiga yomoberoe gotoka si nyumba ya kibara Mia mwembe asumo chiobosongo egekore kiene getuwe chitari kibire cy'umutinyo eta naigo kugania nkororo gokonya abana baiga subwango
ono ujire myaka ng'etano ajali wadodo nyamuru no gwarigeria edabogete gerigendo oyuri bari bono ngete bono aba atigeta abana bariga makosa umwana bono bari junior secondary nda bintu binde ono unokorendo busuku
Simon Omwenga no chief we sublocation ya Mbanda uyobolia kwa gwachinga kikoligia na komanyigoro yege kolekyo ase kilibuna tikera ikiwa ase mesa ase nkwana negeta seni kyagetembe ase nchira yesimi egeta seni kyagetembe ndoli no kwegena buna bana baiga mbachiko konyeka nabo boli babo gotoka bune nchiremo yokogokera ubuya bukolendwa na baibuli
Long glass.
Ngurupu dirigito seni kiagetembe kuroiga marani ase bunge ya Kitutu Chache North ase kaunti ya Kisii. Ase roboti ruwa bene ilitrene nguruku Daniel Untiri.
Biamano Daniel Ontiri, kurende intuo bosemi baitona intuwa gatembe ekara bana bana bamenyete bamate mbarange gaiga aba assistant chief mbaro aba chief mbaro aba ACC otira paka aba MCA na waiga abajumbe paka omo senator karontara ba omo governor n'abana bamenyete kinga kibine kiga karomete ibiro bnebigo kusabande ngabali mwaligereria tonyare gukonya abana abo in a way or the other karatoka ndo chikabu gongo kwamboke kurugaiga kobe kubwato agaran kwamboke paka alia so emesa yebonchere na Innocent Makori.
Chibengi aige imenso mwako weta bwechire bwibere na meronge bere no yukane nigo chiabwato gete chisira chinyingi echichia tumigeta sibinto abuna korosya boye chinka gwa kanire school fees na bogo chibil chanya gitari ko bwachire chatumigete go chakia nago kine bonchorelia litanga ninse kakimia ketanomo egie koro kebune binto mbire ebiatigere twinchira chisira go chia sabanto echobotambe chigo tenenero ni chipayslip go samari montabuatea nigo chia kineta sasilimia kienda nugutaibire egiere chilingi che billion merongene na isano isato nugutaibira so mwaka era bwechibesa aya nkolengana no botukigo se data korwa sebengi ya Central Bank of Kenya CBK. Gosko Motuea ebengi ya Standard Chartered yarikiri asilimia merongene na isto ye faida yae bosyo bwa kona chogo segwa kane bango yo mwaka bwechiri bwibere na meronge bere no yukanea aya nigekera nigo kubwatikana ne bintu abu no komenta chinsage chiaya kogendera korobo korelio bujana bwego okobwatera na korwa isko yensia faida yo nigekoro kimuke bwebenge yo azukunyara kogendera korobo koreli bwaye nonya anechinga kechu chume gendreta kokonga aiga himeyensea.
And we know what we need to do, from having the... just the key numbers to keep in mind: income up at 50.7, that's 21% year on year. Operating expenses 8% year on year. Earnings per share up 46%. Dividend per ordinary share 45 shillings, which is 55% compared to the previous year. Which translate to total dividend, as my CFO was reminding me when we are looking at these numbers, the total dividend that we are going to pay in full quantum is 17 billion shillings, which is
gokorira ebengi ya Equity ya nyorobo konyi bwechibasa chiuro emilionemo korwa sekiombe gichibasa koro emeyensi ya France gia Propaco chibasa chio ni bulio bwekerero climate smart agriculture abo bwegase bago chagusirwa asensemo hayichibasa olenge gokuona asomo yegabo bekesi ko igwano kwa omo CEO o Equity Dr. James Mashari otebire bengeyo nebegetomukia bogo tinge bole mimeyensa sekta kolengana nere kurwa asilimia 30 yokonyora gwensi ya Kenya GDP na bogo eyibalige temere mabantu gwetani asilimia 53 se chinsemo chili sabuo.
And adaptation to climate change. This facility allows us to scale that because we have depositors' money to lend to them, but we didn't have enough money to...
We believe in France, in a world that is becoming more unpredictable, sometimes more brutal, it is essential that we rely on partners, and sometimes those partners can become friends. And the world of today needs those friendship and those partnership, and we feel we have the group, and more globally between France and Kenya, our respective private sector, and between Europe and Africa.
Koripoteria Ekionga, Innocent Makori.
Ekaro nande nguguru singumbu aligo chagaiga ekaro nta getugwetera chi SMS nkaigo egara nkore na bali muna muri getugwetera mitandao ya ito ya YouTube na bego Facebook tansome roboti oromoiga Ben Lays agotebega nga obwa matobuya bwa bantu babere nekaro bagochorana montonde tayo okominyo kionde buna amatoronge asingenche yao igo na igure bobe ekero nkorora omokungu bwanchete mwakoye gagokorera bubiga ekero atamanyikaneti narigete oroboti rutambe sana gabu ase omtandao o Facebook tabanga kinage kogera na tigiri gabu egara ngenda SMS lakini bako irigira Facebook ito Gatamba TV na SMS chirune chinyinge chiruna chikobera gaiga talibia kobetelio mukungu from Kenyatta Morumbwa and then it's all right. When put karo mukungu ako tamaraba karo mugakoye akure nyore ta beti asensemo yogoita omugakoye ankadoli agontebinga nefa nabari getenga nefa NEFA and then Philip wasameta tanga tiga abantu bwatie kemira kyomugusi bunakire and then oyega ontenche yagaki awa naoma wafungwa kabisa ni Kemi wa Kisi and then Jackson aontebe korwa Samoka irondi birongo bamintekero akwanga tarotamaraba na magoso amanene and then kurwaiga nara Alice Clinton na goteba Clinton keronche magwagwali kuruma yagaki apana lazimisha ando chinga Daniel Onkangi kurwa miriri aoteba nga teri kobabuya ekero kubitereria omonto kuruta amaraba na kurwa keumbu teri buya no nyangake kangwana rano nkoroga ukwani gaiga and then Alice Wairanda aoteba nga mkate Alice Wairanda gaki ebimira mbya erete Christine Nyatichi aoteba kurwa chinsemo chiabo songo gaki teri buya bono igo tore digital. Huyu mwanamke alikuwa hawezi kutupa mchanga, alienda huko kufanya nini? Rose kutoka Lolgorian. SMS chenu nyinge Joseph Nyachae kurwa Gaterere and then akina Edna kurwe Kerema hakufanya poa. They were supposed to know the reason why she didn't do that other than forcing and beating her. Na watu wangonya kwenda kinende oyo konda ase nsemo yechi chinsa gonte mkate birobia obiangire choche na ande chinsainye egarogan rekorugabo oyo ngansemo imanyirio igakoro kwa Wilson Makori nchenkoro kwa mkate enok utkobia na nembia mona singinchi bali tobwaterana ko ena kinga chi orobot chonspi korokera ase chatekirebia.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills elikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso lyao chingaki ogoswasa yegakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate etime tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yega babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende kensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingencho au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Gray Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao.